Hey everyone, this is Matt from Weddle & Sons Roofing. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thanks for checking out this video. We're a roofing company located in the heart of the Midwest, and we are certified to install Tesla solar roof. So if you're interested in solar roof, this is the channel for you. I wanted to do a quick channel update as well as to thank you all for the enormous response we received on our latest time-lapse videos. That's been awesome, and we appreciate you and your questions and engaging with our videos. So, very exciting news, we have more installations coming very soon. I'll be doing more time lapses on those and hopefully answering some more questions on the spot about solar roof. It's going to be awesome. Also coming up is a video I'm putting together to talk about the costs of solar roof. This is probably among the top two, if not the biggest question we get, and I'll be tackling that question as well as how you can get a rough estimate very quickly about how much a solar roof might cost on your home. So like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to make sure you're catching each video as we roll them out. Thank you all so very much. It's been an awesome ride with you, and I can't wait to show you more. There is so much more to come with Tesla Solar Roof. So recently, I sat down with Paul and David. They're the owners of this home, and I got to talk with them about their process of deciding to buy a solar roof with Weddle & Sons Roofing. Enjoy.
So how does it feel to be like one of the first Tesla solar roofs in the Midwest to be installed?
I mean, it is exciting, things going on Twitter and things are exploding and people are making comments, and it really starts to sink in that, hey, we're one of the first houses, not just in the state, but in the few surrounding states that have a Tesla roof. And I mean, I think that's pretty cool. And well, when we moved here, our neighbors next door installed some solar panels, and that kind of got us talking about whether we wanted to do any solar. And then I did some looking into just solar panels to see what the prices were, and decided to hold off. And then lo and behold, we got a little hailstorm that came through, so it was time for a new roof. So then we started having conversation. This guy's the tech guy and is a big Tesla fan. And
we were talking about getting something put on the roof. We went through the website and it said, cool, this is what you need. Oh, by the way, you're not eligible. Well, son of a gun. There's somebody in Manhattan that just got it done. Let's figure out more information. Oh, it happened to be Ayalon. So that's where the publicity from that. I think you were the one that brought that up.
Actually, my mom sent me an email it was in the news that there was a solar powered or solar tile roof, a Tesla solar roof in Manhattan. So we did our little bit of research and made a couple phone calls, and lo and behold, we were able to move forward to getting a solar tiled roof at our house.
I think the issue was that I personally can't be told no. So a website's not going to tell me no. We're going to go out and actually try to find a solution to get it done. Excited
to see how it works out for us. Excited to see the savings in the electricity bill every month. That'll be nice. And I mean, having the kids, we have an above ground pool, so we have a pool pump that's running during the summer, and there's a hot tub that we run most of the time. And just having AC units going also, the power intake during the summer is quite high. So that was another look at doing a solar panel or solar tile, just for the fact that it could help drastically cut that bill too.
Paul and David did get a power wall installed, and they're hoping to install more in the future. So I'll be able to check back in with them in a few months to see how it's been going with their electric bill and to see what energy savings that they've been seeing.
I think that Weddle & Sons did a fantastic job. They're professional, and I would recommend them moving forward. I know the last roof that we had was done by a local company, and I couldn't wait to get the sign out of our yard. Right?
Yeah.
But with Weddle & Sons in our front yard now, it's still out there. And
I have mowed since it was put in, and I could have just easily left it down. I put it back up. So absolutely. I mean, and I would say communication went really well if we did make a phone call. It's also, I didn't feel like just a number. Like I said, my name, and whoever answered the phone knew exactly who we were. So, that tells you that it might be a smaller town business, but they're doing some much more than small town work, and for being recognized, the name, that's always means something to you. You're just not a number to the company.
You're used to that because you're pretty fabulous.
You can edit that part out.